Monday, the 16th of January, and we're going to do some blind hides with tea. And I went ahead and invaded the door frame. There's some activity in the hall. And my favorite little white dog is here. We're going to see how the beagle does with some blind hides. I did one of them earlier, but I didn't have a camera running. So we'll see if we can get one now. A bunch of distractions, but let's see how she does. The more distractions, the better. It is Monday, the 16th of January. Let's see if we get some of this on tape. You brought the ball? You brought your ball? T, bring. Good. Sit. Okay, we're going to do some blind hides. So let's see what happens. I have a blind hide on one of these doors with some marble cake. Let's see what happens. T, search, find it. Good girl, find it, search. Search, find it. Find it. Good girl. T, find it, use your nose. Good girl, use your nose. Find it, search. Search, find it. Atta girl.
Her persistence is
Use your nose.
getting better by the day.
Go find it. T. T, search, find it, use your nose. Good girl. Use your nose. What a good girl. So proud of you. So proud of you. You found it. What a good girl. Okay. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. It is Monday. T, sit. Sit. Good, wait. Go get it. Good girl. It is Monday, the 16th of January, 2023. Now we're doing blind hides. Right? T. T, look. Look. Touch. Yes, good girl. Okay, come. This way. Hey, little girl. Can you rest? R-E-S-T. Very nice. Almost a down in motion. We're working on it. It is Monday, January 16th, 2023, and we're doing blind hides with T. Good girl. Proud of you. Ready? Okay. Good girl.